Hello guys, so today we are going to have a thrifting day. I've been really enjoying thrifting around the city. I've gotten some of my favorite pieces recently from thrift stores. This cardigan actually I thrifted from Crossroads. So we're going to start out in the Inner Sunset and work our way around. My friend and I are going to stop by a whole bunch of thrift stores and we're going to take you along. So I am outside Wasteland waiting for my friend as she tries on stuff. It's been a long day. We started out in the outer Sunset, went to Crossroads and a small little vintage shop. Crossroads is one of my favorite thrifting spots in San Francisco. They actually have a couple of different locations in SF and in other cities as well. Anyone can sell their clothing there. So it's definitely a lot more modern because it's just people going in and selling their clothing. And then we went to a vintage shop and it was just really cute, great curation there. Now we are in the Haight, which has a plethora of different thrifting stores. So we went to Indigo Collective. That was my first time there. Unclear if it was a thrift store or where the clothing came from, but it was definitely a lot of vintage looking pieces, Y2K, a lot of florals. So I ended up grabbing a couple of items there. And now we're at Wasteland. It's kind of a higher end thrift store, so people, again, similar to Crossroads, can go and sell their clothing items, but it's typically just a little bit more expensive pieces. Found this Reformation dress for $19, $5, Madewell for $5. That thrift store was really cool. They had a lot of the women's dresses separated out by decades, which I've never seen before at a thrift store. All right, so I am back home. I feel like today was super hectic, so didn't vlog as much as I had anticipated, but I did pick up a couple of really fun items. I'm by no means a thrifting expert. I do like to go every now and then because I find really unique pieces at thrift stores, and some of my favorite pieces in my closet have come from thrifting. You definitely come across really great hidden treasures when you go thrifting. So I'm just gonna show you what I ended up purchasing. First, from Crossroads, I got these black kind of gray wash mom jeans. I've been looking for a pair like this forever and I could not find one that fit properly. So when I found these, I felt like it was meant to be. They truly fit so well. I love the mom jean style. So I was really excited to find that. And then I also found this really unique embroidered skirt. I thought that this was really fun, not only for spring, but also fall with some tights. It's just super fun with the different floral patterns. I have been really into florals recently, and it's in this like stretchy material, so it's super comfortable. The jeans were, to give you a sense of price, $18.50 from Pull & Bear. This skirt was also $18.50, so definitely a little bit higher. Crossroads is not your traditional thrift store in terms of pricing, I'd say. From Indigo Collective, I've been looking for, I know oversized button downs have been really in. I've been loving them to just throw over. I found this one, it was $32, so definitely a bit more pricey. It's a little bit of a thicker stripe, and it has this logo here, which I'm not sure about. It definitely gives me very prep school vibes. I love the material though. It's kind of that wrinkle-free material, and some of the button downs I have, they just wrinkle really easily, so I was really happy to find something like that. I was debating on whether or not to get this because it was certainly kind of pricey and it didn't fit perfectly, but I ended up just going for it because I had been looking for something like this for a while. So it's just this floral dress and these little cap sleeves. I just think that this is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. I thought it'd be really fun for a brunch or dinner out with friends. It was $52. So again, not what you think of when it comes to thrifting prices, but I was looking at dresses similar that were higher, so that's kind of how I justified to myself purchasing the dress. So that is what I ended up picking up today. Honestly, I just had a lot of fun spending time with my friend and walking around. We walked everywhere so far, and I truly love walking around the city. So that's gonna be it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.